Hi everyone, this is Meeta. A question I sometimes get from business owners is how to categorize my income sources. So one popular way of doing it is by sales channel, like your website, Etsy, eBay, Amazon, and so on. Another type would be by payment type, like cash, credit, PayPal, Zelle, and so on. You could even have a combination of the two. So it could be Etsy, eBay, Amazon, PayPal, Zelle, Stripe. You could even have it by product type. For example, if you sell auto parts, you could have it as electrical, electronic, mechanical. You could even make it even simpler, make it labor and parts. I've even had business owners who had just one category, sales. My business bookkeeping spreadsheet comes pre-filled with some income categories to give you an idea, and you can easily change these according to your needs. The key is that you get to see your different revenue sources, but don't make it so detailed that bookkeeping becomes overwhelming. Ultimately, Uncle Sam doesn't care what your income categories are. He only cares about whether you're showing him all of your income. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach me at my website moneyusage.com, and I'll catch you on my next video.